Something strange is happening in the RV market right now. Thousands of RVs are suddenly for sale. But here's the surprising part. Many of the people selling them just bought these RVs 3 or 4 years ago during the biggest boom in history. So what changed? Why are so many owners suddenly selling? The answer comes down to one number most RVers never calculated. And when you see it, you'll understand exactly why the used RV market is filling up. Today we're going to break this down using real numbers, not opinions, not RV dreams, just financial math. We're going to look at 3 things. First, what caused the RV boom? Second, why most RVs end up sitting unused. And third, the number that is forcing many owners to sell. And when we calculate that number, the results surprise a lot of people. Let's go back to 2020. Travel's shut down, flights have stopped, hotels are closed. Suddenly people want a different way to travel. So they bought an RV, a lot of RVs. Dealers couldn't keep inventory. Manufacturers had waiting lists. Prices started to rise fast. A travel trailer that cost $32,000 in 1919 was suddenly selling for $45,000 to $50,000, sometimes more. But buyers didn't seem worried, because many people had the same thought. We'll travel all the time. We'll use it every weekend. It will pay for itself. But that's not what actually happened. Quick question. If you own an RV right now, how many nights did you actually use it last year? 10 nights? 20 nights? Maybe more than 50 nights. Let me know in the comments, because that number changes everything. Here's something many RV buyers didn't realize. The average RV owner uses their RV between 20 and 25 days a year. That's the national average, which means for the most of the year, the RV is just sitting, parked, not being used. But while it's sitting there, it's still costing money. You have loan payments, you have insurance, you have maintenance, you have storage. Even when you're not traveling, the expenses keep going up. Let's run a very common example. Someone buys an RV for $50,000. They finance it. Loan payment, how about $450 a month? Now we'll add insurance, around $100 a month, maintenance reserve, things like tires, seats, seals, repairs, about $150 a month. Now storage, because many people's neighborhoods won't allow RV parking next to the house. Storage can easily run $200 a night. So let's add all this up. The loan was $450, the insurance was $100, the maintenance was $150, storage was $200. That's already $900 a month. And we haven't even gone camping yet. Quick question for owners watching. Do you store your RV at home, or do you pay for it to be stored? Comment home or storage below in the comment. Now we'll get to the part that many buyers ignore: depreciation. Unlike houses, RVs lose value, and they can lose value quickly. That $50,000 RV, after 5 years, many are worth $25,000 to $30,000. That's roughly $20,000 in lost value. Spread that across 5 years, and that's $4,000 per year, or around $333 a month. Now we add that to the cost. Monthly cost becomes $900 operating cost, plus $3,300 in depreciation. Total monthly ownership cost, $1,233 a month. Now remember something, most RVers only use their RV 20 times a year. So do the math. $1,233 a month equals $14,796 a year. Divide that by 20 nights. That equals about $740 a night. Let that sink in for a moment. Now this doesn't mean ownership's a bad idea. If you travel a lot, If you live in your RV, if you use it 60, 80, or even 100 times a year, the math changes dramatically. But if you only use it a few weekends each year, the cost per night can become very expensive. And that's exactly what many RVers are discovering in 2026. If you want to see more of the full breakdown of renting an RV versus owning one, if you want to see full breakdown of renting an RV versus owning one, subscribe. Tune in next week where I compare owning an RV with renting an RV. That'll give you a big perspective, because the numbers in that comparison are even more surprising. And if you enjoy financial breakdowns like this, consider subscribing, because every week we break down the real cost of RV living. Thanks again for watching. I'm Ron from Optimized RV Living. You have a great day.